Harley Davidson motorcycle slot machine. We got the mini RPM pregame bonus. We got bonus multiplier times 1, 31 pregame with $1.60 bet. 0 of 31. Let's get this game started. Alright, let's get this game started. Okay, let's get this game started. Alright, we got 40 cents. That was on game 3. Game 5 gets us 80 cents. Come on, where's our big pays? That's potentially small. $2 in game 7. I thought that was going to be good, but we're only getting 60 cents on game 9. $2.80, game 11. Nothing there. Now this is a good one. Yeah. Queens and jacks 3 across, 4 across on the flatback. That gets us 16-20 on game 13. Yeah, we got our lucky number. Ooh, 14's also good. OMG, yeah. In yellow back, black back, pays 12.20, 3 across on those guys. Now it's looking good. Getting ready. That was game 14. Get ready for 15. That is our halfway point. We got kings. Yeah, the 4 across, that's $1. And halftime lower, we are getting 80 cents there. Oh, but the game win is not over. We got 9s and queens and black box 3 across for $6.40. Game 17. This is turned into a great bonus so far. And see if we can clear $100 by the end of this. We ain't gonna do it like that. Tens for a tiny bit of 60 cents. I'm gonna give 21. Alright, we'll get jacks and black bikes. Jacks 3 across, black bikes will go 4. That pays $1.80. I'm game 22. Here's a good one. 10s 4 across, black bike 4 across. On game 24 gets us $9.80. And jacks 3 across. Oh, that's not a miracle. Alright, we're gonna get black bikes 3 across for $2. Game 26. It's 80 cents on 27. Alright, $4 on game 28 of 31. We are nearing the finish line. Alright, black bikes will get us 3 across for a little pay of $2. 2 games left. That was on 29. That's 30, 31. Got this nothing. Hey, but all in all,
did you bounce the needle off the rev limiter? If not, maybe next time you will.
64.20. That's good. All right, I do like that. Thank you, Samstown.
That ought to fill your tank. Congrats.
That's a good one.